Lagi talaga akong nagwo-worry, lagi akong nagkaka-anxiety thoughts, thinking of the worst case scenario. And what helps me is yung structure ng reality ko. And when I say structure ng reality, I mean this three, no? Yung like, how do you see your world? Because sa first na structure ng reality ko, I have uh, I have this faith, which is a loyalty to the unseen. And since I have this belief na meron talagang unseen, katulad ng pag kumain ka, hindi mo na kailangan tignan kung papasok ba siya sa tamang bituka mo, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan tignan yan. There's the unseen world. And I have faith to that whatever I desire, whatever I feel, I have it already. And what I desire is always a state. Now, I might desire ng parang to get a podcast, to be invited as a guest sa podcast. I might desire that. But really, if you're gonna look at it, what I actually desire is yung state of expressing my opinion. And I know that yung feeling ng makukuha ko dun sa mag-guest ako sa podcast at saka yung feeling na makukuha ko ngayon na nagsasalita ako sa harap ng ng camera, it's all just the same. It's that state that I'm desiring. And ito yung sinasabi kong structure of reality na kapag wala kasi, isipin mo kung hindi ko alam tong faith is loyalty to the unseen. Like, akala ko yung faith is I'm just desperately desiring things in this world. Diba? But no, faith is loyalty to the unseen. And you know that there are worlds outside of the seen world, the 3D world. And that is the world of our feelings, for example, the world of our digestive system, basta kung paano kumakain yung body, right? There are so many things that you're not thinking and yet it's happening. So, yun yung isa nakatulong sa akin, yung faith is loyalty to the unseen. Pangalawa, yung embrace the mystery. Simula nung narinig ko to sa mentor ko na the genre of movie is mystery. The genre of your life is mystery. And simula na, nagkaroon ako ng security every time na may uncertain na bagay. Every time na hindi ko alam yung gagawin. Every time na, nagkaroon na lang ako ng certainty na kung ang genre ng buhay ay mystery, then, at the end of this movie, malalaman ko, pupunta rin ako sa dapat kong puntahan. Right? So, nagbigay din siya sa akin ng comfort. Every time I remind myself na, hey, let's embrace the mystery. We don't know what's gonna happen, but let's embrace the mystery. That gives me so much comfort as well. Pangatlo is yung the eternal now. This gives me so much comfort. Every time I pay attention to what's going on right now. Like, what's going on right now is I am in my studio, I am recording this video, and that's it. This is what's going on now. I can feel my body, and that's it. That's the eternal now. And dito nangyayari yung meron lang tayo in the eternal now. Ito lang 'yon. Ito na 'yon. 'Di ba? So, sana nagbigay din ng peace of mind or ng clarity sa'yo itong tatlong structure of reality ko. Na every time I feel a sense of fear, uncertainty, doubting myself, or just falling into a negative state, ito yung tatlong lagi kong nakasuporta sa akin. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Neil on Reality. Bye for now.